going on, everybody? This your boy Jess, and I'm back with a video, back with a banger, guys. Oh yeah, man, yes sir. So if this your first time, click on this video, go ahead and subscribe to your boy. You guys not missing nothing, I guarantee you guys. So look, I'm finna go ahead and wrap everything up right now. Let's get straight to the point. As you see by that title, oh yeah, man, we're gonna do a little review. I'm gonna make this quick and short and simple and easy for you guys. So let's get on to it, guys. Oh yeah, yes sir. What that say? Pro Mag. Pro what? Oh yeah, man. So you guys know what's going on. So I just got this Pro Mag magazine, you know what I'm saying, the mail. Just wanna try it out, you know what I'm saying, see how it is, you know what I'm saying. I'm really not gonna use this for like self-defense, you know what I'm saying, mechanism like that. I'm gonna always use my ETS magazine for self-defense use at the house. But this right here is just, you know what I'm saying, for me to play around with and just take it to the range. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get this bad boy out this package. And shout out to Pro Mag for sending me this. Oh yeah, man. So guys, so boom, here she is. Oh yeah, that stick talk, yeah. So if you guys do not know what this is the Pro Mag 42 round magazine for the AR 556. Well, you know what I mean, if you can see that. I know, but it's hard to read, guys. But anyway, this is for the AR 556. This is for AR 15, I believe, and M4 as well. So, you know what I'm saying, AR platform, it'll still work. But, you know what I'm saying, nothing too much about it. Oh yeah, guys, you already know what's going on. Yep, green, guys, you know what's going on. Oh yeah, but let me talk to somebody real quick. This cartridge round right here is the X-Tac 62 grain. I love 62 grain. I love shooting 62 grain on my 556 AR pistol. You know what I'm saying? It just gives me every velocity, everything I need. You know what I'm saying? How the way I shoot, perfect. You know what I'm saying? Just like that, man. I love it. So I will always be running them green tips. Oh yeah, can't go wrong with green tips, guys. So yeah. So yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too much about it. Just want to do a short review on it. And I advise everyone, if you have a new magazine, to just play around with it. What I mean play around with it, just play with the spring inside. So what I do is, because I know there's a lot of bad reviews on this mag though, but like I said, if you can play around with it, unstiffen the spring up, you know what I'm saying, you won't have any problems with ejector or anything like that. So what all I do is, just put your finger down enough. You can't see it, but you get the picture. Just keep pushing, y'all. Just keep pushing, you know what I'm saying. It'll help unloosen the stiffen the spring up. You know what I'm saying. So keep doing like that, keep playing around with it. And I guarantee you, if you do that, you know what I'm saying, just multiple times, you know what I'm saying, the spring will unstiffen and you won't have any problems with that. So yeah, man, like I said, nothing too much about it. I know this video is gonna be short, but I just want to show you guys my new Pro Mag 42 round AR 556 magazine. Oh yeah, stay tuned for the next video, because I will be taking this to the range to test this bad boy out. And also, if you saw my last video for the Strike Industries oppressor, I will be testing everything out then, so I will let you guys know. So subscribe to your boy, turn on your post notification bell, because as soon as I drop the video, boom, you guys can get it just like that. So yeah, man, yeah, it's Sunday, you know, so I just got off work. I work like 7 days a week, guys, so you know how that stuff goes. But I wanted to put this video out for you guys, you know what I'm saying, so I can give you some content, you know what I'm saying, let you guys know, you know what I'm saying, where I've been at, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying. I just been on the grind, you know what I'm saying, just trying to hustle as much as I can, you know what I'm saying. So, but yeah, man, like I said, we're gonna get out of here, wrap this video up. Like I said, man, you first time clicking on this video, subscribe to your boy. I got hella shit, guys. Yes, sir. So without further ado, man, I ain't gonna hold you guys up. You guys have a blessed day. We're gonna catch you in the next video. Peace. Oh yeah, guys, my bad. I wanted to show you guys how it looks. I know, man. I know I ended the video, you know what I'm saying, but I'm coming right back, jump back at it. But yeah, man, just want to show y'all how it looks. This is how it looks, you know what I'm saying, with this standard 42 round mag. You know what I'm saying, nothing too special. I love it how it looks, guys, you know what I'm saying. So basically, you know what I'm saying, that's how it look, guys. So thing look total badass, guys. Oh yeah. Yes, sir.